Hello again, this is Gallagher Fluid Seals continuing our series on oil seals. In our first video, we provided a general overview of clipper seals, what they are, applications, and equipment they're used in. Today, we're going to take a deeper dive into their capabilities, speed, pressure, and temperature. But first, let's review. An oil seal is a seal usually made of an elastomer, like rubber, that prevents the leakage of oil or grease while also keeping dirt, water, dust, and other contaminants out. Often known as shaft seals or lip seals, oil seals are used in hundreds of applications around the globe and are commonly found in equipment such as pumps, motors, gearboxes, crushers, mixers, compressors, cranes, drag lines, hoists, elevators, flywheels, bearings, and much more. Clipper oil seals from Parker are a type of oil seal. They are known worldwide for their ability to provide superior performance in critical applications. Since their introduction in 1969, there have been more than 10,000 tooled sizes and are readily available in solid or split designs. When a size is not available, they can be manufactured in as little as a few weeks by Parker. Since clipper oil seals have a rubber fiber outer case material usually made with an aramid and an elastomer composite material as a seal lip, they don't corrode or rust. Now let's get into some of the capabilities of clipper oil seals as well as their features, advantages, and benefits. In general, clipper seals can be used as a replacement for metal case seals. Their composite outer diameter provides sealing at the OD for improved sealing in worn housings. Because of this, compression plates are not required for retention or lip loading, and there is no need for a cover plate because of the tight fit. Since clipper seals are easy to install, seal damage during installation is eliminated. As mentioned earlier, clipper seals will not rust or corrode because they are non-metallic, aka not made of metal. And because the seal case and housing are different materials, issues caused by thermal expansion are minimal. Another benefit to clipper seals is their customization. Because of the composite material, the ability to design unique variations can be achieved. Things like mounting holes, buttons, or flange options can be customized. And lastly, many sizes of clipper seals are already in stock either at Gallagher Fluid Seals or by Parker. That means parts can ship within a few days of purchase. For parts not in stock, Parker recommends allowing 14 days for shipment of parts larger than 14 inches in diameter, or for small parts, about 4 weeks. Now let's talk about some of the speed, pressure, and temperature capabilities of clipper oil seals. Let's start with temperature. Clipper seals can be manufactured with a variety of elastomeric materials, which we will discuss in this video series. But for simplicity purposes, clipper seals can be utilized in applications for temperatures ranging from low-temp nitriles, around -70 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to fluoroelastomers around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's talk about the shaft speed capabilities and pressure capabilities. Clipper seals can be split into two versions, solid or split. For split variations, clipper seals' pressure capabilities are 0 to 3 psi, where solid clipper seals are 0 to 7 psi. However, select profiles of clipper seals allow for pressure up to 300 psi. With regards to speed, the general rule of thumb is up to 3,200 feet per minute for most profiles. But for more demanding applications, 5,000 feet per minute can be achieved for a small selection of profiles. That concludes our first video on clipper seals. We hope you've enjoyed it and learned a little bit about these popular oil seals. For a full selection of clipper seals, you can shop them on our website at www.gallagherseals.com. Or, if you don't know where to start, you can start a project with one of our seal engineers today by contacting us through the website. Stay tuned for our next video where we will discuss shaft recommendations and housing recommendations for these versatile seals. Thank you.